Alright, today we're going to texture this patio. We got exterior drywall hung, tape, first coated, second coated, and touched up. Now we're going to do a basic process of skip trowel. The skip trowel design is kind of like a stucco look finish. We're just using a thin down all-purpose joint compound. We're using an 18-inch knife. Of course, not everybody's going to be able to use these wide knives like this to achieve the skip trowel design. So you can start with the 6-inch knife. The mud consistency here is like a thin down joint compound, heavy pancake consistency. But yeah, you're just gonna simply skip this along, skip trowel, get it all skip troweled, textured. Get rid of the start marks. That way you don't have a big line start mark. This is a real common texture in newer home builds. They especially do it on these patios. In my region, we're located in Phoenix, Arizona, so they do sheetrock on patios. You notice it's a brown sheetrock. This is an exterior soffit board. It's a stronger material that can handle a little more of the weathering. Of course, with a drywall patio ceiling, you're going to have to maintain it. Maintain it means keep it painted. Paint keeps it all sealed up. If you don't maintain them, then they'll start peeling, blistering. You'll have to redo the tape seams. And if it's in really bad shape like this patio, you're going to have to pull it all down and re-sheetrock it and start new. But yeah, basic skip trowel, easy to do. Some people would just leave this smooth and call it a day. That's probably what I would do if it was my house. But we're just matching the existing with the skip trowel. Clean up the edge where it needs to trim. Any light spots you fill in. Once you put the skip trowel on, you kind of want to knock it down. Just letting the knife do the work. He's not pushing down hard, he's letting the knife glide over. Just knocks it all down. He's not pushing down hard, he's just gliding over it with the knife. And then just like that, not even 5 minutes, the majority of the ceiling's already textured. Now we just got to finish up this half and then clean up. Basic skip trowel. So with this, you just let it dry for 24 hours or so. This texture is not really heavy, but some people prefer to sand it. You would sand it with like 150 to 200 grit sandpaper. But since it's just an outside patio and the texture is nice and consistent, done good, it doesn't really need to be sanded since it's exterior. But I recommend a primer, PVA drywall sealer primer, or a Kills 2 latex. You want to get this all sealed up with a nice primer before you paint. You want to use a drywall primer because if you try to paint this, it's going to soak up a ton of paint. Gallons and gallons and gallons of paint will soak into the drywall, all the mud. So it's always best to use a primer to seal it all up. I have another bucket in the truck. If you need another pan, he's running out of mud. I'm gonna use up everything we got here. There you go.